This car is a true classic from the late 1970s, a truck that's as rugged as it is iconic. The 1979 Ford F-150 Dentside. This particular model, auctioning for $14,300, combines vintage charm with robust functionality. Let's take a deep dive into its history, specs, and features. Buckle up as we explore why this truck has remained a beloved piece of American automotive history. First, let's talk about the history of the 1979 Ford F-150 Dentside. Ford introduced this body style in 1973, and it continued through 1979. Known as the Dentside due to its unique body lines, this generation of F-Series trucks was designed to be both durable and stylish. It marked a significant update from the previous models, bringing a more modern and aggressive look to Ford's truck lineup. Ford's F-Series trucks had always been popular, but by the mid-70s, there was a growing demand for stronger, more capable pickups. The 1979 model was part of the final run of the Dentside era, and it carried forward Ford's legacy of building trucks that could handle the toughest jobs while providing comfort for everyday driving. Now, let's dive into the specs and features of this particular 1979 Ford F-150 Dentside, which is a Ranger trim with the 4x4 package. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 400 cubic inch, 6.6-liter V8 engine. This powerhouse provides ample torque and horsepower, making it more than capable of handling off-road adventures or heavy-duty tasks. This truck comes equipped with a manual transmission, which complements its rugged 4x4 drivetrain, ensuring you have full control whether you're tackling rough terrain or cruising down the highway. The 400 V8 engine, while not the most fuel-efficient by modern standards, delivers a raw and satisfying driving experience that enthusiasts cherish. The exterior color of this F-150 is a classic blue, a shade that complements the truck's vintage appeal. Inside, the interior is simple yet functional, typical of trucks from this era. The manual transmission and basic power options reflect a time when trucks were designed to be more about utility and durability than luxury. When it was first released, the 1979 Ford F-150 had a starting price of around $5,000 to $6,000, depending on the trim and options. In today's market, this classic truck is valued at approximately $14,300. This increase in value reflects its growing status as a collector's item, thanks to its iconic design and the nostalgic value it holds for many. The price jump from its original cost to its current auction value highlights how much classic trucks like the Dentside have appreciated over the decades. The 1979 F-150's blend of ruggedness, vintage charm, and the nostalgia it evokes contribute to its elevated market value today. To sum up, the 1979 Ford F-150 Dentside is more than just a classic truck. It's a symbol of Ford's enduring legacy in the pickup truck market. With its powerful V8 engine, classic design, and growing collector value, it represents a unique piece of automotive history that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the history and features of the 1979 Ford F-150 Dentside. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on this classic truck, and let us know what other vehicles you'd like to see featured on the channel. Until next time, keep the wheels rolling and the engines roaring.